风景
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? I am Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song by Chen Yongtao, a song called Chuan Hian, which is a play on the word transmission, and it marks his grandfather's relationship to his music, because Chen would remember when he was little, he would return home for Lunar New Year's and listen to his grandfather play the Yehu. But on grandfather's 80th birthday, he actually gave his beloved Yehu to Chen, so this marks the memories of that. Let's take a listen to this beautiful song, Chuan Hian.
有一两条线，哎呀哎，哎呀哎哟，14688都加工传天啊。
这是一首陈永涛所带来的传言传弦，来纪念外公与他的音乐情缘。小时候呢，随着母亲回到家过年，外公呢总是在老伙房外面拉着椰胡。而到了青春期的他呢，也受摇滚的影响，开始玩吉他。在外公88岁生日呢，也将他珍爱的椰胡送给了陈永涛，而这段记忆成为了传弦传田的创作灵感。
一年一年又一年，年啊年，这年啊年，一遍一遍又一遍。一呀一，天啊天，两行一只西拉卡，讲啊讲，讲啊讲的，14688几脚，卡拉卡。有一两条线，哎呀哎，哎呀哎哟，14688都加工传一天啊。
祖孙虽然喜爱的音乐风格不同，却以音乐相连，这就是传弦传言。陈永涛的歌 ，Great beautiful song by Chen Yongtao, connecting him to his grandfather. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.